What's up, you guys? It's Shaq, and I am back with another video for today. And today we'll be playing the first ever Non-SamsonXVI game, Airplane. So this is a camping game that was inspired by camping, and it is made by Poncho Kings. And there's actually 4 parts to this, I believe. This is the first part that I'm playing and the first ever non-camping but still camping video. But yeah, other than that, let's get right into it. There's so many people here. Oh no, one just got filled to the brim and I missed it. It's fine. Should we go to this one then? I don't want to be the only player on that. I'm seeing what's going on. Where's everybody going? Why does everybody want to go in there still? It's up. You know what? Screw everyone else. I'm gonna go in this one with these people. Oh my gosh, just come over here. And it's starting. Airplane by Poncho Kings. Whoa, this is so spacious. What? How is this all so spacious? The aisle's spacious. The back place is spacious. I wish every plane could be like this, honestly. So spacious. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 1677. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. That sounds good. Feel free to explore the airplane. These are flight attendant seats, I believe. Where's their belt? There's no belt on that. Economy's in a 333 configuration. First class in a 222 configuration. How come none of us have... Wait, C9? Is that my seat? Oh yeah, it is. Now, please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. How come none of us got first class seats? Did that girl get a first class seat? No? Oh. It's fine. What did she get? Oh, a seat in the back row. I want a seat in the back row. Why didn't I get one? Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, let's roam around. Why is the engine backwards? What? Are we flying in the reverse direction? Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everyone. Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Oh, sandwich. Eat it. Did I eat it in one bite? I just gulped it all down. Well, oh wait, we can see outside. ... I'm not feeling very well. Yeah, it's because the plane is rectangular. Look at that. Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. What about the plane being rectangular? That doesn't help with aerodynamics. Oh no, quickly, we need to find baggage for medicine. Look in the baggage storages above you. Oh, you mean these? They're so, like, small, though, compared to the other baggage storage places. This is such a big aisle. Regular aisles can barely fit one person going through them. Am I right? Where's his bag? Is that his bag? Oh, that's 31D chart kit. Oh, is that it? Oh, yeah, there's badge. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to say his name. Why can't I get up on the seat? Okay, there we go. I found it. Phew, that was a close one. It just bothers me so much that the engine is backwards. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. The front's so spacious as well, similar as the back one. The same as the back one. Now it's calm music. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. I love how this says Captain on the door in all capital. And there's like a lock thing on it. What about the cockpit? Whoa, what's going on? Screw the cockpit. What's going on? It appears we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Whoa, what? Wait, what? Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Whoa! Ah! ... You will not survive. Are those snakies? Wait, there's actual... Bruh, look at the snakes. They look so unreal. They actually look so unrealistic. What's gonna happen? Do we just stay on top of this? Oh, no! Oh, wait, it's not hurting me. Oh, it's because I'm on top? Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly, we'll be safer there. I need to hurry. Go, go, go. Yes, I got to there. And the bathroom is so spacious as well. More spacious than the aisle and front place and back place combined. There's only a toilet and the sink. What about the toilet paper and soap? Regular bathrooms can only fit one person. This can fit like 100. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. You guys thought I was going to say the H word. H word. Is it H or H? H word. I'm not going to say it. A lot of people say H, but it's H. Or it just depends on the accent. Wait, on the front it said restroom. Here it says lavatory. And how come there's only 4 restrooms and all of them being in the middle of the cabin? We're back to the big airplane. Power is back up. Wait, am I the only person here? Oh no. This is bad. And the snakes are gone, thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. The good news is the power is back up. Sorry. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen masks will drop from over your seats. Take one quick. Whoa, there's so many. Wait, what? Oh, wait, I got one? How is the oxygen mask separated from the cable that it's connected to? This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. No, sir. There's no oxygen coming into the mask. It's disconnected from its tube and roaming on the face of somebody, which is me. Whoa, what's going on now? It's getting darker. Oh my God. What is this? What is what? Oh my gosh. It looks like a bomb. Oh no. What are we going to do? Okay, everyone. Calm down. If we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save Rob Shack locks. Let's go. Something sharp. Nothing here. 20 seconds left. Oh wait, there's scissors? I found a pair of scissors. Isn't that dangerous on a plane? Which cable should I cut? And it's just lying around. What if there's turbulence? I'm gonna cut the blue cable. I will cut the blue cable. Wait, did I get saved? I got saved. Let's go. We did it. Yes. Can we talk about the fact that there's a scissor just lying around in the plane? What if the plane goes through some heavy turbulence? It could just stab someone. Which murderer put it there? I'm gonna go into first person mode. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. Where is the crew though? Here? No. No. Probably gonna be in the flight attendant seat, but let's see. Whoa, what? I found them. They are unconscious. We need to alert the captain. Quickly get to the captain room. Okay, going. How did the flight attendants pass out? What weaklings. Here we are surviving. It's locked. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. If we find it, we might be able to open it. Hurry up. Code. Anywhere here? Nope. Oh wait, is that the code? 5468. I found the code. And it's getting dark. Oh, it's open now. Whoa, what? Run away. It's the it's the creature. You will pay for what you've done. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. What does that even mean? I bought you here. All of you. So you brainwashed and manipulated our minds? That is not possible. It is. And now, it's time to die. Run away. Is it gonna be a boss battle now? See you in the afterlife. Oh no. Oh wait, did he go away? Oh no, where is he? I love how this name is just question mark. The captain is unconscious. This doesn't even look like a cockpit. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? This doesn't even look like a cockpit. So unrealistic. We need to find the autopilot button. But which one is it? Click everything and find that button before we die. Wait, what? Isn't this a bit dangerous though? Just like clicking each and every button like this. I really hope I didn't miss anything. I'm just spamming all the other buttons right now. Oh, don't mind me, just spamming buttons to find the autopilot button. Who knows what the other buttons are? They're totally useless. They aren't going to harm the plane at all. Wait, why can't I click on these? Oh my gosh, this is so scary now. I found the button. Yes, that was so scary. Oh yeah, and I just pressed most of the other buttons. They're totally useless. We did it. We saved the plane. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Now what? I'm gonna go in first person mode again. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Oh wait, is that it? And it's going dark. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious.
Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay?
Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on.
Okay, we've traced your location and we are taking control.
How do you take control of a plane from outside of it?
There is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track.
Okay. So do I need to go to the co-pilot seat?
Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain.
I got it. First time playing this and I'm already so scared. Whoa, the plane's shaking again. Okay, everyone, I got this. I hope you do. Whoa, what? The creature. Oh no, it is back. How are you still alive, Roblox? I killed all of your friends. Wait, is this a solo ending or something? But you, there is something about you. Sorry. Your energy does not let me kill you. What? That's cool. I'm not going anywhere with you, monster. I'm the chosen one. Wait, what? I'm unique? I will come back for you. Is this a solo ending or something? I can't believe I was the only survivor. Yes, this is a solo ending. Airplane. Wait, this is the end? Victory. I thought we would see it land and everything. And we're back to the lobby. Wow, that was actually really good. Wait, what happened? Okay, there's something wrong. I can't look at myself. Okay, you know what? This is going to be an ending of me backwards. So that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel.